So friends, welcome again to the channel. So basically you can see the slides on the browser in ionic app. So this is basically a tutorial to show you how you can use sliding feature in ionic 6 application with latest angular version. So you can see these are the slides and there is button previous and next button. To as the name suggests, next will go to next slide and previous will go to previous slides, and you can also scroll this by to go the different slide. So to using this, how you can do this by a plugin, swiper plugin. So we will use swiper plugin in this. Not we used iron slides of the ionic component. We use a plugin, swiper plugin, to implement this. So let's check how we can implement this. So this is the window of the VS Code, and the code is also available in this. We already write the code. I will show you how what is the code of this feature. So before coding, you have to install this plugin, npm install swiper. I already installed this, so I'm not going to install this. You have to install this feature in the inside your project by using this command npm install swiper, and your swiper plugin will be installed. And after this you have to add so I'm using swiper in this home component. So and before using this, you have to include some css file inside global.sas file. So basically these are the sas import you have to do inside your global.sas file. This is the imports you have to do inside global.sas. This is the use this css file, this sas file is used to implement the sliders using slider plugins. So this is required. So after this, after importing this, just go to your component, and inside home component there is a module file, home module.ts file. So as you are using the swiper inside home module, you have to import in the home module.ts file the swiper module from swiper/angular, and after import you have to include in the imports array like this. So this part is done. So after this, the actual coding will be start. So this is the basic things you have to do before using the swiper plugin. You have to import css sas file inside global.sas file, and you have to import swiper module inside home module.ts file. So after this, let's go to home component.ts file. So basically inside home component.ts file, we import a swiper code and a property pagination from swiper. Pagination is to show the sliding dot icons on the sliders. So this is the things you have to import from the swiper before using the swiper plugin. And you have to call a use method of swiper code, and we have to pass a array, and inside array you have to pass the features you will use inside the swiper code. So this is pagination basically. So this is the two things you have to do in the starting of the implementation. And we import a document variable here. I will tell you next why this required. And also you can see there is two methods here, go to next, go to previous. So as you can see there are two buttons, previous and next. Next will call go to next, and previous will call go to previous. So as the name suggests, it will do accordingly. So in the go to next, we just get document dot query selector with class name swiper. When the HTML of that particular slider is binds on the browser, it generates a swiper class, and that swiper class is assigned to the swiper variable. And this swiper variable have a method slide next to go to slide next slide. And same we do in this for the previous slides. We have a slide previous method of the slider. So these are two methods required to go to previous and next slides. Now let's see HTML. So before using HTML, we include swiper tag here, and inside swiper tag is the main tag, and inside swiper tag there are all the slides available. So each template is represent a slides. So we have 5 slides. So you can see there should be 5 ng template here, and you can see 1 2 3 4 5. So this is the basically slides, and the main tag is swiper tag, and we include the attribute pagination true, means pagination will be available inside swiper. And inside each ng template we include a swiper slide attribute also. It is required to treat as a slider module. And inside each ng template there is a div with a background image, and background image will be same in all the ng template, but the text is changed, like slide 1, and for the 2 it will be slide 2, and same as for the other ng template. So this is the basic HTML required, and you can change accordingly according to your need required in the for the HTML. So this is the basic HTML, and I already show you the TS part. So this is the basic code required for the swiper in Ionic 6 with latest Angular version. Hope it helps you. If you like this, please subscribe the channel, like the video. We'll back soon with some other video. Thank you.